Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss how to trace column and railing in Revit. So let's start. So first of all, come here in floor plan, ground floor plan level. Here two column is given, you can see. So we have to create this two column. So for that, first try to measure the dimension of this column. See 229 by 378. Okay, so for the column what we have to do, all of you know, architecture tab, build panel. Here you have to select the architecture. Okay, and first you have to hit on edit type, duplicate, and then create one column of this dimension 378 by 229. Okay, so already I have created. So finally you have to hit on OK, and from the list you have to select that dimension column and place it exact in this column. Here remember, height always we have to attach this column up to first floor. So just select it from your first floor and then place it exact like this. Same way here also place it. Okay, now you can see in 3D here we have placed that column. Same way in first floor also you will get the column. So you can place that here, whatever you can see the column is visible here. So place that column. Now here also we have some column. I want to place this column, but the height of this column we have to take as per your boundary wall height. So boundary wall height 1500 mm we have taken. So first try to measure the dimension of this column. From year to year it is 303 and 149. Okay, 303 149. So come here, from here select the architecture, edit type, duplicate, give the size 303 into 149 na? Give the dimension, and here you have to change 303 depth and 149 width. Correct? Hit on OK. Now place the column anywhere, just place it. Okay, now if you want to change the direction, press the space bar and select the copy command. From here multiple times I want to copy, select the base point, one column. But as I told you that height of this column we want how much? Guess. Okay, first I will place, then I will show you. Okay, select it, copy and place it here exact in this point. Same way column I need here, place that column here. Again just change the direction. Now use the copy command, select the base point and place it here, and one column I want to place here. Just little bit move it. Okay, exact we have to place in that column. Okay, now it is clear. Okay, just delete it, and you can see in 3D here we have placed the column, but height of that column I want to take up to 1500, but total height is showing how much? This total height is showing your floor height, your wall height or floor height you can say. So floor height, when you come here, it is 3658. Each floor height is 3658. Okay, so remember, so 3658 minus what? Minus 1500. So the remaining one is 2158. Select each of the column like this, all the column from the drawing. So here top offset you have to write down 2158. Okay, if you want to draw, if you want to take the height of this column 1500, so what you have to do, just select each of the column from the drawing. Here in top offset write down minus 2158. Okay, hit on apply. Now see your column height is of 1500 mm. Okay, same. Now same way here also we have some column, you can see. So same height. So use the DI, first try to measure the dimension 149 by 199. Okay, again I am creating 140 199. So hit on edit type, 140 199, 199 by 149. Correct? Let's say here I have changed the depth 199, width 149. Okay, now place it. If you want to copy, use the copy command, select the base point and place it here. during when you are creating the column, on that time also you can take the height 15 mm. Okay, I'm using the move command now, base, and then exact that point. You can move it, select the column, move it little bit like this. Okay, exact. Now see, here I have placed. Now same thing you have to do here, just in offset write down minus 2158 if you want height 1500 mm. Okay, same height you will get. So in this way we have to place the column. Now come here, how to create the railing. So it is very easy. In architecture tab, circulation panel, here you will get the sketch path. In railing, hit on sketch path. Now see, one railing we have to create here. So from the midpoint you have to start like this and create the railing. Okay, then finally hit on finish edit mode. See, the railing is created. But the problem is what, when you come in this 3D, see the height of railing is not one, because the column height and boundary wall height is 1500 mm. When you see here, railing height is what, select the railing, edit type, come here, height is showing 914.4. So here you have to write down 1500. Okay, apply. Okay, now you will get the same height. Come here now again for another, hit on railing, sketch, and now just from the midpoint you have to draw the railing like this. Okay, hit on edit type. Now again, architecture tab, railing you will get. From here select the midpoint and try to draw the railing like this, finish edit mode. Okay, same way, architecture tab, railing, and you have to draw the railing in midpoint, finish edit mode. One by one you have to do it. Okay, and here also remaining. So I am selecting and finish edit mode. Now see, in 3D the railing which we have drawn, it's look like this. Correct, all of you? Same way here also I want to draw the railing. First floor, come here. Here also you have to do the same thing. Select the railing, select the midpoint from here like this and connect to this boundary wall. Then finally finish edit mode. Same way one more. So here I have selected the railing from midpoint and then draw it, connect it, finish edit mode. Okay, so in this way we have to create the railing, all of you. So now I hope that all of you understood this concept. Now the last one, architecture railing, from here also you have to connect, finish edit mode. Okay, now see, in 3D view, here also we have created the railing. Understood? But here see, I have not created the floor. So try to create the floor also here. When you come here in first floor or ground floor, I think it is given here. See this one, na? So see, here you can select the floor. Okay, select the floor, hit on select the shape what you want. Here just 0 write down, and suppose no line I have selected from this point to this point. Just create the floor, boundary line of that floor, then finally finish edit mode. Okay, now when you come in this 3D, we have to move this here. So you know the each floor height is 3658. Okay, so okay, come here and select that, write down here offset 3658, hit on apply, highlight floor overlap. Now see, getting, in this way we have to create the floor for this balcony area. This is our balcony area. Here we have to place the door, everything that I will show you how to place it. Okay, so it is clear. So this is all about how to create column and railing in Revit. I hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.